In this video, I will show you how to add subscribe button to YouTube Shorts easily. And please, if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, first of all, start by opening your YouTube account. Make sure that you are logged into your main channel and then click on your view channel and then click on shorts. Now, once you click on any of your shorts, I only have one short video in my YouTube channel. So once you click on it, you observe that there's no like subscribe button showing over here. But if you are to switch to another account, let me switch to another account real quick. Right now, I'll switch to another account. So let's search for my channel name. So my channel name is actually Danny the Creator. So let's search for my channel name and go and check out that same short. So if you have to check out the short, you are going to see that there's actually a subscribe button. And once you click on this subscribe button and then you come in here again to watch the video, you see that the subscribe button have actually disappeared. So what this means is that if you're actually watching your short from your own channel, you won't see any subscribe button. The only way you are going to see a subscribe button is when you are watching from another like channel, like another YouTube account. That's the only way you are going to see the subscribe button on your YouTube short. Another thing is that it's only people that have not subscribed to your YouTube channel that will actually be seeing that subscribe button on your YouTube short. If it's someone that have already subscribed to your channel, is not going to see the YouTube subscribe button on your short, which is what is happening right now on this video that you can see on your screen right now. So that's just how it works. So if you're actually confused, maybe you are checking your YouTube shorts on your account and you are not seeing it and you are thinking there's a problem, there is no problem. That's just the honest truth. You can only see it when you are logged in on another YouTube account. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.